Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I will tell you how to check phone storage. You can check a device storage in vivo phone guys. How to check storage in vivo phone. Today we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting to check storage. Then guys scroll it. Come on about phone. About phone guys, and guys one more guys, you can check from here also RAM and storage. But guys it will show all, but guys you will click here about phone. So guys you can check your phone storage 128 GB. So I hope friends you have understood how to check storage in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.